They already control your phone, your searches, your shopping, and your social media. Now, the same five tech giants are battling for the ultimate prize: artificial intelligence. If they win, they won't just control the internet, they could control the future itself. This is the story of big tech's AI monopoly and the fight to dominate the next decade. Artificial intelligence is the new gold rush. But unlike past tech booms, this one is concentrated in the hands of just a few corporations: Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Meta. They have the money, the data, the infrastructure, and the power to shape AI in their image. And here's the shocking truth: their battle isn't just about profits. It's about deciding how billions of people will live, work, and interact in the future. Microsoft, buying its way to the top. Microsoft didn't just invest in it bought a front row seat to the future. Its multi-billion-dollar partnership with OpenAI gave it access to GPT models that now power Copilot in Windows, Office, and Azure. By embedding AI into the very tools millions of workers use daily, Microsoft isn't just competing, it's locking people into its ecosystem for the next decade. Google, fighting for survival. Google has ruled the web for 20 years, but AI threatens to kill its cash cow search. If people get their answers from AI chatbots, why click on links? Google knows this, which is why it's racing to push Gemini across Search, YouTube, Gmail, and Android. But here's the scary part: if Google controls both the search results and the AI answers, its influence over what the world sees and believes could grow bigger than ever. Amazon, AI everywhere, from cloud to cart. Amazon's dominance doesn't end with online shopping. Its Airways cloud empire powers much of the internet, giving Amazon the infrastructure to distribute AI at scale. Its Titan models are built directly into Aza, making startups and enterprises dependent on Amazon to build the future. And don't forget retail. Smarter warehouses, AI-driven logistics, cashier-less stores. Amazon wants AI to run everything from its servers to your shopping cart. Apple, quiet but deadly. Apple may look like a laggard in the AI race, but don't be fooled. It already controls billions of devices. Imagine a future where every iPhone, iPad, and Mac comes with an AI assistant running natively, no cloud required. Apple's strategy is simple but powerful. When it finally unleashes its AI, it will instantly have the world's largest user base. Apple doesn't need to be first, it just needs to flip the switch. Meta, betting the house on AI and the metaverse. Mark Zuckerberg isn't backing down. Meta is throwing everything at AI, open sourcing its Llama models, weaving them into Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and pushing toward an AI-powered metaverse. If Meta succeeds, I won't just answer questions, it will shape how billions of people talk, shop, and socialize. That's not influence, it's control over culture itself. The monopoly danger. 5 companies, 1 technology, unlimited power. If these giants succeed, they won't just dominate they'll dominate knowledge, communication, and maybe even democracy. The risk isn't just monopolies squeezing out competitors. It's monopolies deciding how AI is trained, what it says, and what limits it has. And if history is any guide, they won't always choose what's best for you. The next decade, so who wins? Microsoft has the enterprise, Google has the web, Amazon has the infrastructure, Apple has the devices, Meta has the social networks. But maybe the real winner isn't the one with the best technology. Maybe it's the one people trust the most. And right now, trust in big tech is at an all-time low. Conclusion. Make no mistake, the AI monopoly is forming in plain sight. The question is whether we let 5 corporations decide the future of humanity or whether competition, regulation, and innovation can break their grip. So what do you think? Will big tech dominate the next decade, or will a new player rise and shatter their monopoly? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we'll be watching how this AI war unfolds.